This is how you can use your phone as a face cam on TikTok Live Studio. But first, we need to select a filter. Now let's go into TikTok Live Studio. Okay, so now that we are on TikTok Live Studio, you want to go to Add Source, Cast. Let's add, I have an iOS and I'm wired. Now you're gonna get a message on your phone, trust this computer, trust, and you put your passcode in or not. Am I not? Yeah, okay, so I have to put my passcode in. Once I put my passcode in, now you can just add source. And here we are. Okay, now from here, there are two things you need to do. You want to crop this screen. So let's go to right click on the source and crop nothing that we want to see on the camera, right? So right here, just focus on my face area right there, and then just click away. Now we have like the perfect kind of, not really, triangle, rectangle, whatever. Then we right click again because we want this to look, we can give it some round edges. You see how I have like some little round edges? It's kind of nice, right? But I prefer like the little circle. Keep it like that. It's the little circle. There you go. So I'm gonna look up. There I am. And then you just resize it to whatever size you want it to be. I can even be like Ronaldo, bro. I could be like Ronaldo right now. Let's see. Nah, I could try to do the Ronaldo pose. Nah. Anyway, you can just resize it to wherever you want. You can move it to wherever you want. And that's how you use your iPhone or your Android as your face cam on TikTok Live Studio. And because it's facing me as my selfie right now, I wish I could, let me try, hold on. Let me try to load the other camera. The other face camera. Give me 1 second here. Okay, so now you can see how I have it like mounted. See how I have it mounted up there. And then now that you have that, let me just hide this face cam, hide it. Now that you have this here, you can just play around with different filters. Like you can just, because it's facing you, so you can do whatever filters you want. Obviously you have to check off the song. Hello guys, I'm just giving you a tutorial right now. Yes. But there you go. That's how you add your face cam to your TikTok Live Studio on the desktop, obviously. And I have another way that you can use like another camera, like Blackmagic, for example, the Blackmagic cinema camera. Make sure it's connected wired. I think it just gives you like a better, more consistent connection and stability. And then also use the back of the camera, not the front selfie. Once you set it to what filter you want and everything, just make sure you flip the camera around, flip the phone around, because you want to use the back camera of the phone to give you the highest quality. You guys already know that TikTok already has one of the best camera filters. So I thought it would be a good idea to add your face cam, to use your phone and add it as a face cam on your TikTok Live Studio stream. You can use a webcam, but sometimes like those webcams are not really like the best. So if you don't have the best webcam, if you don't have the ability to buy a new high-end camera, I think this is the best method, the cheapest method out there, honestly. Anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Ciao.